this is Sherry again from Sherry's Decor and More. I'm here today with this piece of wood and I'm going to show you how to make a riser. You can get any piece of wood you want. You can cut your wood any size you would like. If you don't cut wood, you can buy a piece of wood at any craft store. You can even buy small pieces of finished wood from Lowe's. I am going over this with a layer of white chalk paint. White chalk paint does supply a good amount of coverage the first time around. I use Folk Art Home Decor. Chalk paint comes in this bottle. You can get that at Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Amazon, probably Walmart, any of the stores. I just slung that paint. Okay. Now I've already painted the sides and the back of this board for to save on time. And if you miss a spot here and there and you plan on aging it up anyway, don't worry about it if you miss a spot. Today I'm going to use these as my legs for my riser. I'm just going to go around this right quick. These do come from Lowe's in this pack right here. Large craft vinyl. See, it comes two to a pack. They're $2 and some change. They do come with the screw. I back the screw out so I can just glue it flatly on the surface. If you have a thick enough piece of wood, you can use the screw that's in here and put it on your design. So I'm going to hit this. I'm not trying to hit every spot because I want that look of farmhouse or shabby chic or all of that. So here's how it looks when I painted it. Didn't try to hit it in good coverage because that's how I want the leg to look. And really you don't have to hit the ends either. This part would be glued to your surface and the other part would be the foot on the countertop or wherever you have your design setting. This is a fun, quick, and very affordable design to make for a gift for someone. So you could start now and start making fun things for your family for Christmas or birthdays or anniversaries or bridal showers. They're good for everything, and I don't know of one person who doesn't use risers. Okay, pushing this on. There we go. Legs are done. This board I'm going to dry. Let me get the paint off of my hands. This is a crafting heat gun. It dries things really quick. You can buy them again, at any craft store, and Amazon has a large selection of them. They're very affordable, and I highly recommend if you do a lot of crafting. So for this board, I want to do some antique waxing on it. So this is the antique wax that I use. I also use Waverly, which is a very good brand for antique wax. I got this one from Amazon. It's Howard Chalk Teak Dark Paste Wax. That's what that is. I'm going to hit around my sides, come across the wood, just putting an old grungy look to it. If you're not the old grungy look type person, you can certainly keep it white or any color you want to use. All you got to do is hit it with that. I may come behind it, sometimes I do, and I do a little sanding just for different aesthetics. Put this over here. Now I'm going to use a hydrangea design on this board, and I will show you why in a moment. You can get these designs, they're called Transfer Rub Ons. This one here is by this designer. I got it from Amazon. I know that the hobby stores do sell these. These are not like your everyday stickers that kids play with. This is not the same thing. This is a very nice product. And if you're one who struggles with Mod Podge, this is a very good alternative. So I'm going to cut out some pieces that I want to use on this. Very simple to do. You could get multiple projects out of one pack of these. If you get these sheets that are, I think these are 6 by 12. Yes, 6 by 12. They come with 3 sheets, and you can do multiple projects with just one sheet. Comes on a peel-off backing, just like this. Shiny, shiny. You just take that white backing off. And then you lay this where you want your design to be. I think for this one, I'm going to have the stems coming right off of the bottom of the design. Yes, just like this. Just stuck them on like that. Each pack of your Transfer Rub Ons comes with a stick. You just simply take this stick and you rub across your design, just like so. Put a good amount of pressure on it, because you'll have to rub it really, really good before you start lifting. And when you do lift, you want to lift slowly so that if you miss the spot, you won't rip your design in half, jerking this top transfer paper off of it. You have to take your time. And as you lift slowly, you can tell what you didn't rub hard enough because it'll still be on the transfer paper. You just lay it back down and rub the spot some more. There you go. Okay, this one is good. I want to rub right there. That one's on. I'm going to do these other ones. Some people will tape down these transfer papers. They'll tape it down so they don't move it, because if you move it while you're rubbing it, you could rip your design as well. I do not tape it down. I just hold it well and I take my time with the design so that I don't mess it up. Last one. Okay. So I have all three on here now. I'm going to hit a few little spots. All three are here. Okay. Now I'm just going to flip this and I'm going to attach my legs. Give it some good glue. Look to make sure that you kind of get these even with each other going down the side, because you will see them. Whoops. Okay, 4 legs on. And if you wanted to add some antiquing around here, you can, to match the top of it. You can just rub it wherever. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's supposed to be old looking, so don't try for perfection on it. Just rub. There we go. That's all done. So here we have our riser. Beautiful legs, your piece of wood, your transfer designs. And the reason I used hydrangea for this design, because I have another YouTube video that you can find that I did a trivet. So this would be an awesome set for someone to gift or yourself, as they do match. That's simple. Now, after 24 hours, I will do a sealant on this riser. I will do it with a FDA approved food safe sealant, in case when I sell these, people can actually put food directly on this if they choose to do so, and it'll be safe because I'll be using the food safe sealant. And when I say food safe, I say I would highly suggest that you search out one that has been FDA approved for food. It's the best thing to do. So that's done. The matching trivet is with it. And that would make an awesome gift for anyone. Please like and follow my YouTube channel if you have not, and you're watching right now. Please do so before you leave, and I'll be back another day. Thank you. Bye.